Centuries ago, a myth began. Always believed to be a childhood legend, a folk tale to keep children well behaved, may have its roots in reality. Many believe every legend comes from some truth, and a newly discovered book, an ancient bronze bust, may tell and reveal the true face of Santa Claus, an actual person who lived hundreds of years ago, a man known by Kris Kringle. Photos of this mysterious ancient book were released by Russian authorities, but in order to get the full story, my journey takes me on top of the world, over glaciers to the Polar Cap, to the North Pole. Recently, in North Siberia, in an old KGB military town, an ancient book was found. This nameless secret town, close to Alaska, is not on any map. Scientists ran all the necessary tests and anonymously concluded that the book dates back to the 4th century. Found under the floorboards in what is now a barn, but used to be a small rock house that goes back centuries. This beautifully illustrated, one-of-a-kind, hand-stitched book of an unknown culture. The book refers to nothing ever documented before in history, as it reveals a story that will shock the whole world on how Santa Claus, also known as Kris Kringle, and the North Pole came together and give us explanations to so many of unknown traditions. From North Pole, from the House of Santa Claus, I'm Athena Krikeli.